hydraulic LEGO excavator. $500 LEGO pieces. Building a hydraulic LEGO excavator. So today we're building, and this is actually a big challenge in itself. It's in LEGO blocks. So I'm building right now. So first of all, what am I building the match? Because we need to make the chassis strong. The reason for making its chassis strong is that when we make stones from people and break them, our chassis and this hydraulic LEGO excavator can stand strong against it. Now we have completed the chassis and fitted 4 tires to it, and it is really looking great. Now I'm building the front bumper, and it's actually going to work. Look. Now we are making the top part of the hydraulic LEGO excavator, and to make this cabin we will need a lot of design, and we are making a real design, and it can actually move around. Now we are also making the rear bumper. We have also added 2 lights in it on the side, and it works really well. Now let's start the front part. Now we have to make a chair, a strike, a gear. Come on, let's make a chair in it on camera. Right now, I am making a chair, friends. And have you ever seen a real LEGO excavator like this? It is good, not a broken one. Friend, if you have seen someone making one in LEGO, today we are gonna make it and also do this work. Now we have to do some designing of the cabin, but before that, children party, you please comment and tell me whether you have ever made one with LEGO Friend. Comment quickly, and now I will make a good design of the cabin in it. I will add the engine in it and also a front glass in it. Believe me, in a short while, after it is completed, we will rotate this cabin and show it to you. It can rotate from all sides like a real hydraulic LEGO excavator.